setup's a little interesting. This is like a classroom, so everyone's sitting on the desks and playing on the TVs that are on the desk in the row in front of them. It's kind of weird, because the chairs don't really pull out. They're kind of stationary. Here we go. This is... Oh, no. And they should just, do a restart here, and they will. Okay, so controller reset, they're allowing it. And they'll go into the grand finals here. Junebug, Ganondorf, Pink Fresh, Lucas. Nintendude is Peach, and Seagull is Diddy. And these guys all have history of teaming with each other in the past, but who is going to be the best here? Seagull and Apex on the Nintendude on the losing side of the bracket. June and Pink Fresh need 3 more games to win their tournament and take home a lot of money. I don't think it's that much. I think it's only $50. So far, looking good for both teams. Very even until Seagull gets spiked by the Lucas back air. It is now 7-8. Nintendude's doing a great job right now of just staying stationary, not taking damage, and providing support coverage. Seagull's kind of being the offensive player as a typical for him. He's an aggressive player by nature. Plays a campy character, but is aggressive by nature. Pink Fresh, the full offense. Junebug also known for his offense. These guys are really known to be heavy campers, but June will do what he needs to. I've seen Pink Fresh do it as well. June tries to get a setup with the ban on Nintendude there. He doesn't fall for it. Nintendude's a much smarter player than that. And now Seagull loses another stock, so he has dropped 2 before anyone's dropped their first. There's Nintendude's first stock, so now it's a 3-stock lead for Team Red. The match is starting to get ugly fast. And just like that, they've evened it up. 2 stocks back. It's now only a 1-stock deficit. Nintendude and Seagull. Pink Fresh whiffing the grab on the right side. Seagull getting some offense started. And that really created a good situation for the blue team. Oh, Nintendude's gonna get June? Oh no, Pink Fresh with the save. Oh, and Nintendude beats the down air with a Peach neutral air, and that is the end of June there. So now it's an even game. Very, very, very close to even. Seagull sticking to his aggressive role. He hasn't changed his game plan. Pink Fresh kind of providing them support in this match. Covering his options with PK Freeze. Whipping grabs again, and that's going to create another situation for the blue team to get a 2-on-1 on Ganondorf. Get stage control back. That is one of the most important things in teams, as Pink Fresh takes Nintendude's second stock. And the red team reassumes the lead now, a 2-stock lead if they take Seagull's 3rd stock. We're going to try to make it back here with the Ganon kick. He does. Pink Fresh looking for options right now. Keep Junebug covered. He knew it was a little too risky there. He'll take the hit there and keep his stock. Now they've extended to a 2-stock lead. Oh, June in trouble there. That could have been deadly. Seagull going to lose his last stock. And he'll share stock from Nintendude, but it may be too late. Can they bring it back? It is just a 1-stock deficit, but Peach does a lot of damage. And Junebug gets it with the back end of the up air. And that is the end of Nintendude's 3rd stock and his final stock, because Seagull is on his 5th stock now. And they are making mincemeat of Seagull. Junebug just didn't capitalize on that down B there, because no problem. They've got Seagull covered, and he just cannot get back down on the ground at all. Finally does. Tries side B, gets met with Ganon kick. And the fair ends the game. So a 3-stock victory by June and Pink Fresh. And they've got 2 more games to go before they'll be crowned champions. Or can Apex Nintendude and Seagull Joe bring it back? Oh, it was Junebug and Pink Fresh won that game. Update the score real quick. don't know if the stream sees what I see right now. Okay. Never done. You're using OBS to stream today. Oh, the stream broke? Oh, okay. Alright, that's alright. We're okay. Don't worry, team. We'll be back. Provide feedback here. We're gonna be fine. UMD team's got it. They got a dedicated stream setup team here, working on things. Of course, I'm Tantalus.
3, 2, 1.
All right. So game 2 going on right now on Distant Planet. Another large stage. June kills himself right off the bat. That's just what the blue team needed to get into this thing, get some momentum going their way. But Nintendude's already taken 79% in the first 15 seconds. And he could be in deep trouble here. Oh, Pink Fresh misses the ledge. He'll die too. 2 SDs to start the game from the red team. The blue team has a 2-stock lead. Very, very, very beneficial. This could be the start of something big for the blue team. They get their momentum. And Seagull right now thrown off stage. Still 4 stocks. And Big Fresh in trouble here with a little bit sour DI. Seagull hits him with the up B. Rocket meanwhile. Nintendude on the other side. Keeping Junebug away. Will Seagull live this? He does. And this is still a 2-stock lead. Nintendude's living all day, every day. Now, Pink Fresh trying to regain their momentum they had from the first game. Can they do it? Right now, it's looking like a pretty solid win for the blue team, but anything's possible. Seagull misses June with the rockets there. And Junebug goes deep. Was it worth? I don't know. But he'll take himself and Seagull out. And now Pink Fresh loses his second stock. So it's now a 5-3 game. And could be 5-4 pretty soon. Maybe 3-3 pretty soon the way it's looking. Now, all of a sudden, the red team has picked up a large amount of momentum. And as I see that Pink Fresh loses stock, June gets Nintendude stock. Can they get Seagull now? Oh, yeah, taking advantage of Distant Planet, large blast zones. Not enough there. And Seagull actually gets killed by Nintendude, down smash of all things. And June went for the side B and the spike and missed both. That's going to be very costly. Their chance to come back is pretty much diminished at this point. What can Pink Fresh do? Hit by the barrels. That tether grab back to stage. And he's comboing both players at the same time. Pink Fresh about to pop off. Intended with the stick. One of the strongest support smashes. Spike hitbox off the back air, but not enough now. And Seagull and Nintendude, just smart play, won that match. 3-stock returned in their favor. So Pink Fresh and Junebug seem pretty calm about it. Say if we didn't SD 4 of those 8 stocks, we probably would have been fine. Beautiful capture quality here. That's shell-shocked UMD Smash stream. Let's look and see what they're using. They're using a black magic. That's why. Very rare to see those anymore because those are hard to get to work. I know that Gimmer's recently broke. By the way, shout outs to Gimmer. He's streaming Justice up there. If you're not watching that, make sure you multi-twitch it with this one. Of course, UMD Smash and PP Boot Camp. Very entertaining matches. I believe Justice is mostly melee, but you'll be seeing plenty of melee and Project M action here on UMD Smash. I think melee teams will be up next, and there are a lot of talented players here. All of MBVA's best have come out, except for maybe Asin. Moving to Game 3, WarioWare. 1-to-1 match right now. It's set 1 of Grand Finals, where Red Team has the advantage. They are in the winner's bracket still. And you try to get that gimp on Ganon work, it doesn't work exactly the same as it does in Melee, and he just found that out. Oh my gosh, Seagull's shield. Now, Nintendude almost dies to a Ganon back throw of all things, and he does die to a Ganon F tilt. Oh! What in the world happened there? I don't know if it was... I don't know what killed him. It might have been PK Thunder. Seagull drops his first stock, and now the red team moving back into control. Seagull, a nice barrel combo, and June's SDs. Very unfortunate. Cost him the last match being fresh, also SDs. And June SDs again. So that's 3 SDs in 15 seconds. And it's given the blue team the advantage. June's in trouble here. He makes it back just barely with Ganon. Seagull. Nintendude not going to complain about the SDs. They'll take what they can get. And June gets a double fair and a taunt to seal the deal. See if he'll go for the Ganon side. Is that what he's looking for, sitting on the ledge? Fresh, not able to sweet spot the ledge, and he... Oh no! Seagull gets grabbed by the side B. And that all the games went completely even, but I think all the momentum has shifted back to the red team. June just barely living it, went for the spike, couldn't get it. Seagull flying off stage, and now they got both the players on the right side. Always good in teams. Seagull's gonna lose his last stock. He's taking Nintendude's. Nintendude's gonna have to be very patient here. 80% is a very small level. And he gets Junebug. So now June's gonna have to take Pink Fresh's stock. Pink Fresh misses his charge up smash. Nintendude just being very patient. He's only taking 12%. Seagull came back. And just barely lives that back air from Ganon. Nice air dodge by Nintendude to get out of trouble, but it's starting to swing the wrong way for them, and it does. A 2-stock finish for the red team. They've got 1 to go to finish this thing off. The winner is red. Melee Smash documentary. Well, the Smash documentary, it's really the Melee documentary, I think. But really eccentric, it's Melee-centric, although Melee's been the center of our... Melee's the cornerstone, and everything else is kind of like a rock around it, maybe. I don't know. I mean, without Melee, this game doesn't exist, but without Brawl, this game doesn't exist, so, I don't know. Playing Smash 4 recently. If you all want to play me, let me know. Hit me up on Twitter at the Tannels. I do love to play on the go now. They move into game number 4 at Dreamland. First, Nintendude and Seagull want a big stage for them to work on. They don't want the small levels. And so you'll see, and that's the difference in WarioWare. That would have killed Nintendude. This time, he's able to live with no issue. Oh, angled up, F-tilt by Ganon. Oh, gets Nintendude with the bear, that's his first stock. Gets Seagull with the down throw to back air, that's his first stock. So once again, the red team coming in with super strong momentum. And you're not going to make it back from that one. Too far for Ganon to recover, even with his second double jump. And now they'll have Mountain Climb, Pink Fresh. Usually now June is racking up damage pretty fast. A little bit of craziness on the ledge there, but it is June the only one who died there. Kong, and Seagull gets the spike off the ledge invincibility. So now the blue team is taking the lead. Oh, what? Oh, that was almost beautiful by Seagull. So close. But he couldn't quite make the down air connect. And June comes in with the F tilt and everyone dies. So now the red team has swung it back their way. But as I say that, goes back to even again. This match going back and forth. Pink Fresh way off the stage, but he'll make it back, no problem. In the meantime, they got a 2v1 on Ganondorf, and you know that's never good. Diddy, Ganondorf, that is a very tough matchup for Ganondorf. Nice teamwork by Seagull and Nintendude. Is that the end of June's final stock? It is. So, Pink Fresh still with 3, he's going to get his taken, and now it's a 2-stock lead for the blue team. No SDs involved this time, just solid play. Seagull going for the jump. Goes to oh, Pink Fresh is dead. That is it. So June has to take 4 stocks by himself. I don't think it's going to happen. And he'll just let himself die here. No point in trying it. A 4-stock return fire from the blue team, and we're going into game 5. And June says, enough is enough. We're going to end this right now. He's picked his main character. If you watched the Big House last week, you saw how good that Diddy was. 4th place, only to Zero, Professor Pro, and Mewtwo King. Junebug very solid. One of the best Project M players in the area for sure, but also in general. Our number 1 ranked player right now, Pink Fresh in the top 5. Seagull also in the top 5. Nintendude only playing when a good opportunity presents itself. And 2 down smashes presented themselves right there on Junebug. June, of course, a top Brawl player. Now a top Project M player. Probably even more so than he was in Brawl. Uh-oh. How did that work? How on earth did Junebug catch Seagull with that side B like that? Project M devs, please. But they both lose their stocks there, and it is an even game. Seagull and June, Seagull and Nintendude would like to take this set 2. Give themselves a good chance at winning this tournament. They'll need to win this game to do it. This is the money match right here. Nice combo by Nintendude, and Pink Fresh safely makes it off stage. Deep Kong gonna make it back with no problems. Oh, nice back air trade by Nintendude, it was worth it. And Seagull gets a fair on Lucas. So now it's a solid 2-stock lead for the blue team. And definitely not the favorites in the match, but they've made the best of their opportunity, and Nintendude finally loses his first stock. A minute 20 into the match. Nintendude covering the pressure, and this is starting to look like a really good stage for the blue team and not the red team. Too much of the barrel spike there, couldn't quite get it. Junebug only at 2 stocks. He went for the side B aggressively. He is going to make it back though. That is deep wrong. Nintendude trying to cover June's recovery. Going to get hit by his stick. Now he is going to get June's recovery though, and make it back off stage and fair into Seagull's finisher. So now the blue team's got a 3-stock lead. Make that 2. Make that 1. But it's still a solid 1 at this point. Red team will have a lot of work to do if they want to win this tournament right now. They'll be taking it to a second set. And Pink Fresh not going to make it back. It's going to take a miracle to bring this one back. It is a 2-stock lead for the blue team. Oh, and there's one of them. So, now they've got to take Seagull off the map here. Can they do it? Can Seagull and Nintendude hold on and take this to set 2? Nice follow-ups by June. June playing very on point right now. But you can't take too many more of those trades. You got Fresh and June Nintendude trying to fight for stage control against Seagull and Nintendude. Now Seagull probably wakes his back, he does. Jude missed a forward smash that could have ended Seagull's stock there. Seagull now starting to be a little more patient, not being so aggressive. Jude loses his stock there. It'll be have to be a 3-stock comeback. Nintendude makes a strong error there, 2 strong errors. Keeps Spring Fresh back in it. Oh, and up smash not going to kill just yet. Fair will, so we're going to set 2. June and Pink Fresh. No match has been really that close. They've all been 2 or 3 stock matches. As we move into a reset, grand finals, final set. Whoever wins this will win the tournament. I, of course, am the Tantalus. Thank you for joining us at SS16 on UMD Smash's channel. I'm gonna take a quick break here. I don't have a drink, so if I stop for a second, you know, that's why I need to gather myself. Smashville, starting stage.
2, 1, go!
Oh, Pink Fresh with the offense. What a combo on Nintendude. Nintendude has to get away. But he knows in this game recovering high is such a good idea. It's rarely heavily punished. Nintendude was able to make it back on stage. No problem. June gets the spike with media recover. Media recovered again by Nintendude, and June SDs as a result. Good awareness by Nintendude. Putting himself in position to win this thing. And he knows what he needs to do. And if June makes a mistake, that's on him. Blue team takes the lead. Nintendude tried to give Seagull room to get back to the ledge, but June was able to make it happen. It's now an even game. Ever since perfectly. Ooh, that was interesting by Nintendude. That upbeat challenge at the ledge. But red team is now taking the lead. As I say that, Pink Fresh finally loses his first stock. Minute 5 into the match. And mostly even games. A little bit higher percent, but anything can happen. Left smash both Pink Fresh and Nintendude, and that sets up the back air to finish off Nintendude's second stock. And now Seagull's in trouble. From suffering the same fate. Does not get back to the ground at all. He finally does. Gets Pink Fresh with that down smash. Now Junebug has turned into the one who's the defensive player. Seagull, we know how good June is at Diddy Dittos. What DI by Seagull to get that up through. Very, very nice. Tell they really want this thing. The Nair is going to end up killing Diddy. Oh, Pink Fresh coming in big time. Nintendude and Seagull looking kind of like they started the first game in the last set, but we saw how that match turned out to them. Anything can happen. Junebug loses his second stock. It's now 4-3, but a lot of damage, and it is now 4-2. Seagull gets hit by that Lucas back here. Pink Fresh so precise, hardly ever making an error. Nintendude in big trouble here, 107. And another match that could look like it's, oh, wait a minute. Junebug dies early. If they could get him again, if they could get one of these two guys, it would be an even game. Oh, Nintendude gonna die by the back air. He was literally just rolling around, hoping for something. He's playing too much Smash 4, that's clear. He's on and on this rolling. Gets up in place and does an up smash and it works. Not sure why. And that's it. I'll be joined by the great Legion. Haven't seen seen you troll much the groups lately there, Elijah.
Pretty busy with that. Well, I've been trolling other groups.
Elijah busy trolling the other groups.
Trolling non-Smash groups.
Just one in the chat if you like Elijah's trolling Chris too. You think Elijah should be banned from every group.
How's it going, guys?
This is actually set to Grand Finals, a kind of surprise. Definitely not Seagull and Nintendude, not the favorites to beat these two, but they just did it. In a best of 5 set, they won 3-2. So this is the final set here. Whoa!
Oh, wow.
Whoa, Junebug with that down air through Distant Planet. What a start to that game, Elijah.
Okay, I'm trying to figure out who's who right now.
So Junebug is the red city.
Okay.
And Pink Fresh is Lucas. And Nintendude is Peach. And Seagull is the blue city.
Alright, cool, thank you. Alright, so...
What a electrifying start by the red team. June just lost his first stock.
Oh.
Fresh does, yes.
Good job, Nintendude, the edge guard.
Yeah, just every time you think Seagull and Nintendude are out of it, they seem to bring it back.
Your teamwork is really good right now.
Yeah. As you say that, Nintendude held him in the sub smash. Very unfortunate, but it is actually an even game after that second stock by June got given. Air by June.
Nintendude putting a lot of pressure on.
Oh, wait a minute.
Wow.
Wait a minute.
I did not see that coming. I don't think he did either.
What do you know about pressure? Let me show you some pressure. Kills him at 47.
Oh my god, 4 down airs. No tech.
It's always hard to think about though when you're getting down there, like you want a tech and then they'll just read where you're gonna go. You're always just trying to mix it up.
Could have probably teched the side and gotten out that.
Dude has to hop in. Now, after leading this match early, they are down 2 stocks.
Nintendude putting in a lot of pressure still.
Nintendude kind of changed his style. He looked at the beginning like he was going to be the defensive one and Seagull was going to approach. They've kind of both gone to defensive mode.
Well, when you're behind, probably better to play defensive.
Seagull makes it back okay.
Seagull.
Oh, June with the juggle taunts.
Can he bring it back? Doesn't look too good right now.
Yeah, I don't think it's looking good.
Yeah, that's game 1. That's game 2, I'm sorry.
June
game
just
2.
used Ganon in 4 of the 5 games last set, so June was warming up his Diddy in game 5 the last set.
Look, he's playing Diddy like he plays Ganon though, the down airs.
Oh yeah, June doesn't know what defense is, I don't think. He just knows how to like, maybe even when he camps aggressively. Small stage, now we saw June and Pink Fresh take Seagull and Nintendude WarioWare like the last set, and that went very badly for Seagull and Nintendude. I'm not sure why they would pick a small stage again.
Maybe they feel it.
This is actually
I would, if I was their team, I would pick a bigger stage for Peach to live longer.
Yeah, they used Dreamland in the last set, and that worked for them. That was actually a clean 3 stock. I'm sure they banned Dreamland this set.
Oh, probably. There's other large stages though, besides Dreamland.
Yeah, Pokemon Stadium's kind of big, and
FD.
yeah, and Distant Planet, which they just went to, but I guess Distant Planet didn't work out for them.
I would have counterpicked back if I was them, but they know what they're doing, so
Well, right now
they're ahead of stock.
It's even game. Nintendude with those Armada air dodges. Which is a tricky air dodge. It's a little harder to hit than you think.
Explain the Armada air dodge.
Well, Armada he'll always come in and then he'll air dodge the safety every time. And
right.
You never see it ever get punished. It's kind of weird. Like you always know he's gonna do it, but he always finds a way to make it work.
It is kind of hard to punish if you're not used to seeing it, and most players don't do it. So.
Right now it is an even game with offset stocks, and it's still gonna be an even game, but now with even stocks.
Even stocks, but blue team's ahead.
June, knowing he had to recover safely there, just went high. It's okay to take a trade if he had to, but taking a trade high is way better than taking it low, as Pink Fresh loses his second stock, and now the blue team's got an advantage.
Oh, wow. Oh, wow.
June's
Okay.
in trouble here. Deep Kong could make it back. He won't. So now it's a 2-stock lead for Seagull and
The
Nintendude.
beam
And
sword.
he's
The
got a-
beam sword.
Oh, he's got a beam sword.
The range on that is pretty crazy. But he won't be able to use it if he dies with it.
Yeah. Oh, and just like that, the 2 blue team stocks are gone. Their 2-stock lead is erased.
They're still ahead slightly, though.
As we've seen in this game, it doesn't take much
Oh.
to kill someone. Damage is
Oh,
nearly
man.
irrelevant.
Lucas is getting messed up by his own teammate, too.
Yeah, Pink Fresh had a lot of trouble there. Just trying to get back to the ground. Seagull plays Pink Fresh a lot, so he probably knows how
He
to
knows the
cover.
matchup.
Yeah,
He knows the matchup.
He knows how to cover him pretty well. And he plays Crescent Monkey also.
Oh,
Wait
that
a minute.
spike. Wow.
That was a down air spike that Seagull got nicked by. Nintendude.
Now it's even up.
Yeah. Very, very close match. This is probably one of the closest matches we've had. Most of these have all been one-sided, one or the other the victor.
Pink Fresh not able to 2v1.
It's going to be very difficult to do.
He has to camp.
Against 2 characters who have items.
Yeah.
Not
Yeah,
easy.
bananas and turnips flying everywhere. Kind of difficult.
We're going to game 4. So, June and Pink Fresh need one more, and they can walk away with their money, the big money.
This is match point.
But Seagull and Nintendude are going to need 2 more. So this is the first counter pick from Seagull or from Junebug and Pink Fresh. Let's see what they're going to do.
Who's coming out of losers?
Oh, well, right now it's even the final set.
Oh, they played another set.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is the second set. Yeah, I think is this the
They're
right?
trying to
I don't
reset.
think this is the right Norfair. I think that's.
Yeah, this is match point. Game point.
Oh, there's a Wii remote that's trying to get in. There's a Wii remote that's messing up the stream here, and I don't know whose Wii remote it would be. I think they're just gonna.
Oh, they can't select the stage
Yeah,
though. That's a problem.
There's a Wii remote holding a button here, and they can't pick the level.
No contest.
We're gonna figure this out very soon.
It's not my Wii remote. Just leave it as the only random stage and hit random real quick.
Well, they can't select randomly.
They hit A real fast again.
Sorry, they're figuring this out right now.
Alright, so they're gonna hit the sync button to try to give them enough time to
Oh, they fixed it. All right, we're
well, it won't last forever, because that Wii remote will sync back up if it hits the A button. So they've got to be quick about this. You gotta be quick on your counter picks before that Wii remote comes back active again.
good. Where do you think they should go? Counter pick.
Well, June and Pink Fresh do well on the smaller
Oh,
stages.
FD.
Yeah, I don't know about this one. This is kind of a neutral for all these guys. I don't think anyone is.
I think Peach is pretty good on the stage. Just because of recovery, it's really
Oh,
good.
nice job by Nintendude, taking advantage of June's error. That's what you have to do. You can't count on someone making an error, but when they
wow.
do, you have to
Wow,
capitalize on
2
it.
stocks already in 20 seconds. This is bad.
And June is really just struggling. I don't know. Nintendude now
Pink
has
Fresh
to use
picking
as
up
well.
the slack. Spike,
Yeah.
early spike.
Uh-oh, and now Seagull finds himself in the hole. So Final D is not giving life to any stocks right now. We've seen 4 stocks drop in
This
under a
stage
minute.
is not too kind to Diddy Kong right now.
Let's see, actually, yep. And Pink Fresh still on stock 4. Are we going to see any more stocks drop in the first minute? Up here's the Deep Kong with the barrels. Nintendude wisely just stays out of the way.
Yeah, he's just being really patient right now. Waiting for his opportunity. Oh, wow. That was a good bait.
Yeah, you always... Diddy's barrels are an offensive tool as well as recovery. Now, Seagull trying to capitalize on this too early SDs by Junebug. But
that was a good combo.
Junebug and Pink Fresh are bringing this back very quickly. Oh, wow, wow. Did you see what happened there?
Yeah, that was ridiculous.
He threw the item into Seagull, which blew up the barrels and killed June. Because Seagull was charging his up B. That was very smart. I don't know if that was on purpose or not.
Junebug is taking a lot of damage right now.
That was a huge heads-up play.
Oh, June.
Ooh, nice combo by Pink Fresh. Gets Seagull
wow.
with the up throw. Nice counter by Nintendude. Buy himself time. Can Seagull cover for him?
The barrel hits the tip of him.
And Nintendude is playing incredibly smart.
He's playing really safe and patient.
It's the Nintendude we know. Unfortunately, it's gone the wrong way for the blue team.
They definitely came back.
Yeah.
Pink Fresh is holding stock. Like
Pink Fresh has just been on a tear.
He's bringing this game back by himself right now.
And that's the end of Pink Fresh's second stop. But still a pretty big lead. If they could get June off pretty quick here, I think it's very manageable. I mean, it's 3-3, but it's to imagine. Oh, and there are they gonna get it?
Oh
no,
wow, he got that.
That is deep Kong for you. DK does not stand for Diddy, my friends.
This Lucas is going berserk right now. The up throw.
Seagull. So now it's 2-stock, and Nintendude is in big trouble here. Seagull's going to have to provide some help. I guess that works.
Oh wow.
Nope.
It started off really bad, but I think they really bought it back.
Now Seagull going to try to do something here. Pink Fresh
not a lot he
can
do.
Pink Fresh using that down B to turn his
Pink
direction
Fresh
around. That's the end.
Basically, Krillin died and Pink Fresh went Super Saiyan that game.
Indeed. So that is it. A valiant effort. A valiant effort by Seagull and Nintendude, but Pink Fresh and June, the better players, and they've proved it today here.
Good job, guys.
UMD. So I think we've got melee doubles coming up.